Today we're going to make some bread in our Paris Hilton 9x5 bread pan. This is a very nice bread pan. It's very heavy duty and thick. This was sent to us by a subscriber that just said XOXO Paris. And when we put the bread dough in, we need to put some oil or spray some baking Pam in the bottom of this. So I just wanted to show you, this was also from another subscriber. They sent us 4 bottles of the Beso oil and 2 Skull oil dispensers. And this comes from Cooking United Crew 22. So it came with the extra virgin olive oil with basil, the rosemary oil with rosemary. This one is a chili one, and this one is a garlic one. These are really cool. I've already used these. They match our cups. They match our shot glasses that we have. They're really awesome and neat. They have 2 different kinds of dispensers. We chose to use these ones so that we could put a cap on it, but the other ones have a metal with a little metal flap. So we're going to use a little bit of the garlic one in the bottom of our pan before we put our bread in there to rise. So we put the infused garlic oil in the bottom here. We're just going to put our frozen bread dough right in there. And now we're going to take and put a little bit of the oil on top of that. And I like to add a little bit of cheese or garlic or something. And you're going to let this rise. Now you can do a couple different ways. You can cover it up and you just let it out and sit, and it takes, 3 to 4 hours. You want it 3 to 6 hours, or you can do a fast one, thawing it in the microwave. I don't like that, putting it in the refrigerator. I just like to let it sit and do its own thing. You can also do the quick rise method, which is putting it in the oven on the lowest temperature and turn the oven off and then let it go for 2 to 4 hours. This is the most natural way. So let me spread this around and we'll throw some cheese on top. We got our Beso's extra virgin olive oil infused with garlic on top. And then I went ahead and put some garlic on it. I'm going to add some bacon bits and some cheese, and I'm going to let this sit and rise. Went a little buck wild and actually added some jalapeno slices before we top it with the cheese. You can take and spray the top of this with some Pam if you want to. You can put some saran wrap over the top with some baking spray on the other side so it doesn't stick when you put it down. I like to let it go like this and just put a clean kitchen dish towel over the top of it to start, and then as it starts to rise and get higher, I'll take it off and just let it rise naturally with nothing on it, and probably just put it in my oven so it keeps the dust and stuff off. We got it all rised, risened, whatever you want to say. We're going to set our oven to 375 and we're going to throw this in for 20 to 25 minutes. Yum, look at that. All fresh, cheesy bacon jalapeno bread.
It's still good even though I took the little crunchy thing off.